Apple has been keeping a massive secret inside Cupertino, and if the latest leaks are anything to go by, it is about to change the desktop workspace forever. For years, millions of creative professionals, developers, and power users have felt completely abandoned by Apple. When the company killed off the legendary 27-inch iMac and discontinued the dark, menacing space gray iMac Pro, a massive void was left right in the center of the Mac lineup. Sure, Apple told everyone to buy a Mac Studio and pair it with a studio display, but let's be honest, that is not the same thing. Power users don't just want a box connected to a screen with loose cables cluttering their desk, they want the ultimate, ultra-clean, brutally powerful all-in-one workstation. And now, internal macOS code, supply chain leaks, and factory blueprints have confirmed what Apple tried so hard to hide. The iMac Pro is officially coming back, and it is bigger, faster, and far more terrifying than anyone anticipated. Macworld. If you thought Apple was content with just giving us the standard 24-inch consumer iMac, think again. What supply chain analysts and internal software debug builds have uncovered is a machine engineered specifically to crush heavy 8K raw video workflows, massive 3D rendering environments, local artificial intelligence development, and intensive software compilation. This isn't just a simple processor bump. This is a complete reimagining of what a professional desktop machine can be. To understand why this leak is sending shockwaves through the tech industry, we have to look back at the mistake Apple made a few years ago. When Apple Silicon launched, the efficiency of the M1 and M2 chips was so groundbreaking that Apple believed a 24-inch consumer desktop was enough for the vast majority of people. They assumed power users would happily move to modular setups. But the feedback from Hollywood edit suites, audio studios, and software engineering teams was unanimous. The sleek, single-cable aesthetic of an all-in-one workstation is an irreplaceable tool. Apple realized they left billions of dollars on the table, and behind closed doors, a secret engineering team was tasked with building the ultimate desktop powerhouse. So, what exactly is under the hood of this unannounced monster? Let's talk about the silicon first, because this is where the leaks get truly wild. Multiple supply chain reports confirm that Apple is skipping lower-tier configurations entirely for this machine. You will not see a base chip here. Instead, internal macOS system files reveal testing for configurations powered directly by the M5 Max and potentially an all-new M5 Ultra silicon layout. We are looking at a desktop beast that packs a CPU core architecture engineered to deliver the single fastest per-core performance on the planet, paired with a massive GPU layout featuring dedicated hardware neural accelerators directly in every graphics core. What does that mean in real-world performance? It means local AI model execution that executes up to 8 times faster than first-generation Apple Silicon, allowing creators to run complex generative AI models, real-time video upscaling, and advanced machine learning models directly on the desktop without sending a single frame of data to a cloud server. Combined with unified memory options that leaks suggest could scale all the way up to an unheard of 512 gigabytes, this machine will handle datasets and massive 3D scenes that would instantly crash almost any other computer on the market. Now, you might be asking yourself, how on earth can Apple cram an M5 Max or M5 Ultra chip into a sleek all-in-one body without it thermal throttling or melting through the glass? That brings us to one of the most exciting leaks uncovered from manufacturing patents and component orders. Apple has completely redesigned the internal thermal architecture. Instead of traditional copper heat pipes and standard fans that spin up like a jet engine under load, the new iMac Pro is reported to feature a massive custom vapor chamber system paired with dual whisper quiet fluid dynamic bearing fans. This redesigned cooling system pulls air from stealth intakes hidden along the bottom edge of the chassis, circulates it across the main logic board, and exhausts it smoothly out of hidden rear vents. The result is a desktop that stays completely silent under intense daily workloads, while keeping extreme sustained clock speeds without thermal THR. Otling. And then, there is the display, the crown jewel of the new iMac Pro. Leaks strongly indicate that Apple is not giving us a 27-inch panel. They are going significantly larger. The upcoming iMac Pro is tipped to feature a gorgeous 32-inch 6K Liquid Retina XDR display. We are talking about a screen that matches the visual footprint and resolution of Apple's flagship Pro Display XDR, but integrated right into the computer itself. This isn't just a standard LCD either. Supply chain reports confirm that Apple is utilizing mini-LED backlighting technology with thousands of local dimming zones. That means true, deep, ink-like blacks, a mind-blowing 1000 nits of full-screen sustained brightness, 1600 nits of peak HDR performance, and promotion adaptive refresh rates scaling up to 120 Hz. Imagine editing 6K or 8K HDR video, grading color with absolute pixel accuracy, or scrubbing through dense timelines with buttery smooth motion, all on a massive 32-inch canvas with virtually non-existent bezels. Apple is also expected to offer a nanotexture matte glass option out of the box, reducing glare to near zero in bright studio environments. When it comes to aesthetic design, Apple knows that pro users want a workspace that looks as serious as it performs. Forget the colorful, cheerful pastels of the standard 24-inch iMac. The new iMac Pro is leaked to feature an aggressive, ultra-sleek space black dark anodized aluminum finish with a special anti-fingerprint seal. The front features slim, dark bezels, completely removing the iconic white chin that split opinions on the consumer model. This machine is designed to look intimidating, elegant, and industrial. Port selection on the back is getting a massive upgrade as well. One of the biggest complaints about all-in-one desktops is limited connectivity. According to internal schematic leaks, Apple is equipping the iMac Pro with up to 4 next-generation Thunderbolt 5 ports. Thunderbolt 5 brings blistering bandwidth of up to 120 gigabits per second, 3 times faster than Thunderbolt 4, allowing you to connect multiple 6K or 8K external displays, ultra-fast external NVMe RAID arrays, and high-speed audio interfaces without hitting bandwidth bottlenecks. In addition to Thunderbolt 5, we expect an integrated 10 gigabit Ethernet port built right into the power brick, an upgraded high-impedance headphone jack for audiophile headphones, and fast SDXC card slot access along the side edge for quick camera card dumps. Wireless connectivity is also getting a total overhaul. Apple's new custom-designed wireless silicon chip, codenamed N1, is slated to power both Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 on this desktop, guaranteeing rock-solid, low-latency wireless connections even in dense office environments loaded with wireless gear. For audio and video production, Apple is not cutting any corners either. The front face will house an upgraded 12-megapixel center stage camera with desk view support, paired with studio-quality, 3 microphone arrays that isolate your voice and block out ambient room noise. Below the display, a newly engineered 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers will deliver deep, punchy bass and wide spatial audio with Dolby Atmos support, making external desktop speakers virtually unnecessary for most casual listening and quick audio checks. Now, let me address the elephant in the room: price and release timing. With a massive 32-inch 6K mini LED display, M5 Max silicon, advanced vapor chamber thermals, and industrial space black styling, this computer is not going to be cheap. Industry insiders estimate that the base model iMac Pro will start somewhere around $3,499 to $3,999 in the United States. While that sounds steep, when you calculate the price of a standalone 32-inch 6K HDR monitor paired with a high-end workstation computer, the iMac Pro actually represents tremendous value for serious creative businesses. As for when you can get your hands on it, production line setups and component procurement cycles point toward an official Apple announcement window targeted for late this year or early next year. Apple is finalizing software optimizations and thermal validation tests as we speak.